The antidote to bondage in life is the knowledge of God's word. That you will know what the Bible says about your life. You will know what the Bible says about your health. You will know what the Bible says. And see, don't just know it, it becomes part of your life. It becomes the very force that drives you. It moves you everywhere. That someone can see you and prophesy that, you see, based on what I'm seeing now, you are going to die, except you quickly give me now $1,000, because if you give me, I can't. Oh God, that's a thief.